Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. So guys, if you want to transfer photos from iCloud to iPhone storage, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then tap on iCloud and go to iCloud, and after this you have to simply go to photos, and now from here you have to simply go to download and keep originals from here. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply tap on download and keep original, and after this the photos will be transferred from iCloud to iPhone storage. So guys, you can see this, you can easily transfer photos from iCloud to iPhone storage with checking this to download and keep originals. So guys, in this way you can also transfer photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.